Hi everyone, today I will be doing a doll haul. Just a bunch of dolls I got over the last 2 months or so. And I'm not going to be unboxing everything, but I will just show you. Let's start with this batch right here. So this is the Barbie Then and Now. I super love the color combination and she is just so pretty. I mean, I love her face mold, I love her outfit, I love everything about her. I love the packaging. I can't wait to unbox her. Next will be the Barbie looks. This is gonna be my first Barbie looks ever, and she's an old model, but I really find her face mold so pretty. I can't wait to restyle her because I don't like the dress, but I really love her hair. I also love the articulation in this one. Next, we are going over two of my Disney dolls. Got them both for my birthday. The other one, the Cinderella one, is a gift from my sister, and I got Snow White by myself. I personally love the face of Snow White here, but I also love Cinderella's dress. They're both so gorgeous, and I can't wait to unbox them. Okay, now I'm setting them aside, and we will be tackling this next pile right here. They have really big boxes. Let's start with the Tooth Fairy. This is gonna be my first Barbie signature doll. She is so beautiful. I mean, she has the Carl face mold, and she's one of the newer Barbies that I got from this haul. I am so obsessed with her dress, the wings, the hair. Everything about this doll is perfection. I will be unboxing her on a different video, so keep posted, guys. Up next is the first Barbie repro from this haul. She's the Fashion Luncheon Barbie, and I really love this Chanel-inspired ensemble that she's wearing, the hat, the blazer, the tweed dress. She's so iconic, and you guys know I'm a sucker for pink, so I love her. The second Barbie repro from this haul would be Silk and Flame Barbie. She came actually mint condition, but I don't really mind because I'm gonna be displaying all the dolls here. I love the red combo with the white and then her cute black bob hair. I think she's so cute, and also the gloves, the heels, everything. I love her. Okay, so on to the next pile. These are the last four from this haul. I'm so excited because they came bubble wrapped. And let's start with this one. Okay, so this is actually the third Barbie repro. This is another classic Barbie look, and it's called Solo in the Spotlight. I love her ponytail hairstyle and her bangs. And her classic black dress. I think she looks so good. Next would be this big ass box. Barbie, I'm not sure what she is or what doll this is, but I'm sure this is like a collection special. Okay, so this is the Golden Waltz Barbie. I love her. Her gown is giving. I love the color. And this is my favorite face mold, which is the Mackie mold. Up next would be my very first ever birthday Barbie. I believe she's the 2000 or 2001 version. I really intentionally researched and got her because she has the Mackie face mold again. And she has the sweetest face. She's just so angelic. The dress, the box. But I'm gonna unbox her eventually, so stay tuned for that. Here's the face with the almost fixed hair, but yeah. We are finally down to the last Barbie, and This one came in very good condition. She has this very big packaging, which does not have a display. You have to open it for you to see. And ta-da! She's the Winter Splendor Barbie. I really love this gown, the velvet top with matching black gloves and this silk red skirt. It's the perfect holiday display Barbie, and I can't wait to display her for Christmas. She's also a collection from Eva M. So here's a short video montage of my doll display. This is not going to be their final place. This is just temporary. And as you can see, these are my Shadow High and Rainbow High girls, my vintage Barbies. I also collect BJD dolls, but they're currently hiding in their boxes. So when I finally have a proper doll display, I will be showing them to you guys. So follow and subscribe. Bye!